create content strategy, and first video scenario. In this lesson, we'll learn to create a content strategy and a video script. The task of a content strategy is to answer the following questions. Who do you create your content for? Who's your target audience? And what are their interests? What message do you need to convey to your viewers for them to choose your channel among many others? What do your competitors offer? What are advantages and disadvantages of their content? What types and formats of the content will work to promote your brand among your target audience? How do we evaluate the effectiveness of your efforts? What resources are you going to need to effectively achieve your targets? Without a content strategy, you merely create content. It may be a high quality content, but it will not help you solve the required tasks. There are no strict rules and requirements towards the creation of a content strategy. This is your individual approach, and it depends on the chosen field, subject, target audience, budget, time resources, etc. But there are certain steps that you need to go through to benefit from your YouTube channel. Choosing an optimal content format. Let's consider the most popular formats. Lessons. Their duration is 3 to 10 minutes, and their goal is to answer a single question. Advantages. High speed of the content creation, the engagement is higher than average, low competition, low cost of creation, a thinking audience. If you become the main expert in your niche, the success is guaranteed. Disadvantages. The reach is lower than average. Not everyone wants to learn. Vlogs. You share your lifestyle with the interested audience. Advantages. High engagement, high audience reach. You can reach literally millions of users. Disadvantage. High labor intensity and high cost. An episodic nature of the content can be both an advantage and a disadvantage. On the one hand, your viewers will be constantly waiting for a new episode. On the other hand, you have to constantly think how to keep up your viewers' interest. An interview. Everything depends on who you're hosting and how interesting your conversation is for the viewers. Disadvantage. High probability of high cost of creation. Advantage. Your guests' fans will visit your channel and may become your fans as well. Reviews. Film the content that is interesting for your particular audience. Advantages. Flexible cost of creation. The reach will depend on the video subject. Instruction manual. Advantages. High engagement, flexible cost of creation, high production speed. News. Advantages. Flexible cost of creation, tremendous engagement. If the audience likes your news coverage style, they will come back to your channel again and again. You may even become the main news source in your niche. You need to evaluate several criteria in order to choose a suitable format. What can you film on a regular basis? From the technical perspective, your production budget, the content quality in your chosen niche, the labor intensity on a regular basis. Analyze how much time and effort it will take to create and promote your content, your personal preferences. Think it through before choosing your video format. Trial and error here is a bad idea.